Good morning, students. Standard 5, Subject Science, Bridge Course. Animals. Our planet, Earth, has countless number. Countless means enna mudiyadhu. Countless number of organisms, including plants and animals. Among them, animals are the most advanced organisms. Animals are a gift of a nature to human beings. They are very closely associated with us in our daily life and contribute a lot to us. Reproduction in animals. Reproduction means produce young ones or new ones. Reproduction is the biological process by which an organism gives rise to a new organisms. This process is seen in all living organisms, both plants and animals. Reproduction is essential for the continuations of similar kinds. Similar kinds means ஒரே மாதிரியான. Similar kinds of species, generations after generations. In animals, two types of reproductions are seen. They are sexual reproductions and asexual reproductions. First one, sexual reproductions. The sexual reproduction is a natural way of reproduction in humans, animals, and also in most of the plants. This type of reproduction is more complex and lengthy as compared to asexual reproductions. The sexual reproduction divided into three types. First one, pre-fertilization. Second one, fertilization. And the third one, embryo formation. First one, pre-fertilization. This is the first stage of sexual reproductions. In this stage, gamete formation and transfer of gametes take place. In animals, males and females have different reproductive organs. The male reproductive organ is called testis and the female reproductive organ is called ovary. The testes produce the male gametes known as sperms and the ovaries produce the female gametes known as eggs. The male gametes reach the female gamete during this stage. The next stage is fertilizations. The fertilizations divided into two types. First one, external fertilization. Second one, internal fertilizations. When the male gamete reach the female gametes, they begin to fuse together. First one, external fertilization. The external fertilization take place outside the animal's body. It's usually take place in aquatic environments where both eggs and sperms are released into the water. Fertilization in frogs and fish takes place by this method. The next method is internal fertilization. When the fertilization takes place inside the animal's body, it is called internal fertilization. Internal fertilization take place in animals like dog, cat, and cow. The next stage is embryo formation. The zygote further divides repeatedly into group of cells. These cells develop into different tissues and organs, constituting a full body. This structure is known as embryo. The next one, oviparous animals. The oviparous animals in which embryo develops outside the body are called oviparous animals. They produce their offspring by laying eggs. The next one, viviparous animals. The viviparous animals in which the embryo develops inside the body are called viviparous animals. These animals give birth to the young ones. For examples, humans, cows, deer, and dogs. The second one, asexual reproductions. The type of reproduction in which only a single parent gets divided into two new offspring is known as asexual reproductions. The asexual reproductions divided into four types. First one, fission. Second one, budding. Third one, fragmentation. The next last one, spores. First one, fission method. This method occurs in some invertebrates. Invertebrate means without backbones. Multi-celled organisms. In this method, an organism split itself into two parts. For example, flatworms, sea anemones, and sea cucumber. The next method is budding. Budding is a form of sexual reproduction that results from the outgrowth of a parts of the body. Budding, for example, hydra and corals. The next method is fragmentation method. This method is the breaking of an individual into parts followed by regenerations. For example, fragmentation. For example, sea stars. Then last method is spores. Some protons, bacteria, plants and fungi reproduce spores. Spores are the structures naturally grown as part of a organ's life cycle. Lesson: Animals Worksheets. Worksheet 1. Tick for the correct animal's reproduction way. The next one, How do they reproduce? First one, oviparous animals. Second one, viviparous animals. So write in the correct box. The next one, worksheet 3. Write the correct alphabetic